How to fix YouTube dark theme not working. This tutorial shows you how to get the dark theme applying correctly on your device. First, open the YouTube app and tap on your profile icon at the top right. After that, tap on Settings. From there, tap on General and then tap on Appearance. Right here, make sure Dark Theme is selected. If it's set to Use Device Theme, switch it to Dark to force it on permanently. Next up, if it's already set to dark but still not applying, close YouTube by swiping it away from your recent apps and reopen it. Moving on, if the issue persists, long press the YouTube icon and tap App Info. From here, tap on Storage and then tap Clear Cache. After that, go back to App Info and tap Force Stop, then tap OK to confirm. Following this, reopen YouTube and go back to Settings, then Appearance, and reapply Dark Theme. Next, open the Play Store, search for YouTube, and install any available update. Finally, if Dark Theme is still not sticking, check your device's system settings and make sure your phone's overall display isn't set to a mode that's overriding the app's theme. Switching your device to dark mode system-wide usually resolves this for good. Hope this helped you out. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more YouTube tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.